Nicole, would you like to just share a little bit about yourself and who you are today and what led you to becoming Maree Nicole?
Hi everyone, I am now Maree Nicole. My journey came from a generational trauma of abuse. I ended up having a husband that um, was pretty much giving me the same sort of abuse. I came from trauma, and I found that the only way I discovered myself and became a better version of myself was through hypnotherapy. And I was in a pretty bad way, if you want to call it. I spiraled and I thought, oh my God, I don't know how to get out of this. And I got into hypnotherapy, and hypnotherapy helped me, and I felt amazing. So pretty much I thought, if I could feel like this and if trauma could heal me and hypnotherapy can heal me from the trauma, then I wanted to go out and pretty much help everybody else. So I decided to learn hypnotherapy. And so I studied hypnotherapy, timeline therapy, psychotherapy, life coaching, and I also wrote a book, I See You. And I See You is all about my journey in life and how hypnotherapy helped me. I am also a Reiki master, and I incorporate hypnotherapy in with energy healing, as Reiki helps with the clearing of energy, and hypnotherapy works on the subconscious mind. So why not do both and work on mind, body, and soul? So I
So
became.
Nicole, just so I can just get some clarity for those that are viewing us, at what stage of their spiritual awakening or their life's journey would you think that these modalities that you offer could assist our viewers in helping them through whether that is, their real life problems, their soul connection, or whether it's the physical pain, emotional trauma that they're feeling. Also, the spiritual confusion of what is going on? Why am I experiencing these things? What kind of stuff or, you know, symptoms show up for your clients that you've experienced so far that you could share with our viewers to be aware of?
So pretty much when I have a client who comes in and say they need to, there's a lot of stuck emotions and a lot of your limiting beliefs. And once again, it's all a generational thing. And there's a lot of inner child healing. And the modalities I use are, once again, timeline therapy, hypnotherapy, and Reiki. And they pretty much it's a 10 session program. It's a trauma recovery breakthrough program. And when they come in and I see them, they're spiraling pretty much the same way I was.